Hello there. Store offset is a great tool to instantly adapt pen tilt values to the daily reality. The best known use is of course when some fixtures have not been installed correctly. Take a look at this example where our presets were already made in a previous show. We can see that fixture 101 has been mishandled and needs some pen tilt love. It is not necessary to update all the presets we have made. We can also correct the offset of the fixture by using a preset as reference. Select the fixtures and call a preset. Adjust the pen tilt values to reflect the correct position. Type the keyword store offset. You can also press the MA and update key if you do not like typing but do like shortcuts in life. The dialog pop-up asks us to override, merge or remove the offset data into the fixture. Let's choose merge. Now check the other presets and see they are fine. Hooray! You can see the offset of each fixture in the patch. This is good as a reference, but also a fast way to remove them all for your next show. Enjoy your extra time at the bar. Cheers and happy programming!